Ebeye, the ratio of kids to adults is quite staggering. With that amount of children, it makes it hard for the public school to accommodate them all. The only other options are private schools, which can be hard to afford. With the help of Berry Aviation, Changing Focus Ministries, and the Island Memorial Chapel, children who can't afford school can get the opportunity of an education.
Today we were blessed to get to go around to 4 different schools, and we were delivering funds for a program that we have called, it's a Island Memorial Chapel School Sponsorship Program, nice and long. But it is a program that we do here on Ebeye for all of the schools that have needy children that can't afford to pay for school themselves. So on Ebeye, there's, we have a population of about 12,500 people. 75% of that population is under the age 18. You can imagine there's a lot of kids. The public school only has so much room, so they run out of room really fast. And a lot of the churches here on Ebeye have private schools, but the private schools cost money. So the kids that are going to those schools, a lot of them cannot afford it, and the IMC school sponsorship program comes into play. And Berry Aviation has been a huge part of that.
Katie and the rest of the Sojourno family sailed here in 2015 and have been living in the Ebeye community, serving the people of Ebeye and the outer atolls.
Well, my name's Katie Sojourno, and I've been here on Ebeye for 4.5 years. I'm a missionary. We have a nonprofit organization called Changing Focus Ministries, and we partner with an organization in Kona, Hawaii, called YWAM Ships. We do a lot of work here on Ebeye, but one of our passions is to sail to the outer islands, and we take Bibles, we do free health clinics, we do a lot of clothing, food. We like to do Bible studies and kids programs, lots of fun things like that.
Katie and her ministry help determine what students are in the greatest need of being sponsored and create a list for people who want to sponsor a child, giving the sponsors a way to build a relationship with the child they choose to sponsor. That is just the beginning of what they do for the program.
We build a relationship with the kids and with the principals, and kind of do checkups on them, making sure they're passing. We do have a few kids right now that we personally tutor because they're having some challenges with some of their classes, primarily English and math.
Now, Berry Aviation has only partnered with the program for the last 4 years, but have made quite the impact. Berry Aviation's manager, Steve Simpson, suggested to the company, as opposed to giving scholarships to high school graduates here on Kwaj, to look into having an impact on the neighboring island that houses the RMI workforce for Kwajalein by sponsoring students' education on Ebeye.
This year, Berry Aviation donated about $5,600 to 4 different schools. And overall, with our organization, Changing Focus Ministries, and IMC, we have raised almost $22,000 for kids here on Ebeye to go to school. And we're just really thankful how the people on Kwajalein have really partnered with us and come alongside us and really helped these kids out. And this has been our biggest year of sponsorship, and it's a real blessing.
MWR staff put on the Hobby Shop Holiday Open House Sunday, December 1st.
Hi, welcome to the Hobby Shop.
Visitors came over to the shop to take part in raffles, chat with their friends, and eat some delicious food. Many who came to the event walked away with raffle prizes ranging from pottery custom made in-house by staff to Christmas tree ornaments and more. Crystal ornament, covered ornament box.
That's heavy.
Wow. There you go. The open house is an annual tradition meant to showcase what the hobby shop provides to the garrison as the happiest place on the atoll.
It's not every day Kwajalein gets a new option for dinner. Kwajalein's local cafe, Sunrise, has recently undergone some upgrades here on island. Now serving more than just coffee and baked goods, they now serve pizza.
Well, we are open here at the Sunrise Cafe Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. Fridays from 5 to 9, Saturday and Sunday from 5 to 10, and Monday from 5 to 9. Well, not only do we sell pizza, but we sell pasta. So there's a delicious spaghetti that Jesse has come up with, a beautiful recipe. He also sells his desserts as well. We have salads. So those are some options.
Customers have two ways to order their meals. They can come on in and order in person, or you can call 53445 and place an order by phone. If you are ordering from the Ocean View or the Country Club, you can even have it delivered to those locations.
How can you pay for ordering? Right now we're cash only. We will take a check. We will take that as well. But hopefully soon that will change and we'll be able to take credit cards soon. The bakery crew, they come in the morning, they do the bakery thing, and then they take a break after 2 o'clock because the bakery closes at 2, and then back on it at 3 o'clock prepping for the pizza.
The bakery workers are hardworking and dedicated to serving the taste buds of the people of Kwajalein.
My favorite pizza is actually the Brenda's Margarita Pizza. How we came up with the name, Jesse worked really hard on the menu and he shared it with me. And I just said, well, Jesse, if your mother was gonna order a pizza, what kind of pizza would she like? And he said, well, she's a diabetic, so she probably wouldn't want a lot of meat, maybe just a little cheese. And I said, well, there you go, Brenda's Margarita Pizza.
As far as the current favorite among customers, there was a clear winner.
The Yuckway Special, yes, that is the most popular pizza because it's a meat pizza. We're carnivores. We love meat anyway, so that is the #1 pizza, yeah.
So come by and try out one of their specialty pizzas or build your own here at the Sunrise Bakery.
Yahweh and welcome to Learning Cousin Mazel. This is your girl here, Meba Clarence. We're going to learn some words or phrases to get you speaking better in the Marshall Islands. Today's phrase will be Kwajalein. Kwajalein, meaning where you're from. This is a great phrase to use when you meet new people. When you are out practicing Cousin Mazel, remember this phrase, Kwajalein, which means where you're from. Now tune in next time to learn more Cousin Mazel.
How you doing?
Hey, how's it going?
Not bad. How can I help you?
Here to pick up my mail?
Okay, do you have your ID?
No, I kind of left it at home.
Okay, what's the name?
My name is Susan Yakamura.
Susan Yakamura.
Yeah, my name is Susan Yakamura.
You're Susan Yakamura.
Yes, I'm Susan Yakamura.
No, you're not.
Okay, I'm not.
Yeah, get out of here.
Come on, man. How can you tell?
Just get out of here. How you doing?
Good. I'm just here to send this package out.
Okay, do you have an ID?
Yes, I do.
Awesome. Do you have a customs form?
Yes, I do.
Awesome. Let's see the package. Okay, your to and from are backwards. The address is wrong. The tape job. This is, you might just need to... Okay, you might just need a new box. Oh, hey, Susan's back. What's up?
You got me. My name is Luis Mondragon.
Yeah, that sounds about right. What's up?
I was trying to open my mailbox and I kind of got irritated, so I punched it and broke it.
Okay, well, you just lost your mailbox privileges. Hopefully the real Susan will let you share hers.
But I couldn't open it.
I'm sorry, I've never taken taping classes before.
Would you like my help?
Yeah.